Today's video is gonna be with Victor. He's the head, he's the rule today. Start, this is your vlog. I'm officially giving my channel for Victor today. Yeah, you the head today. Just talk. It doesn't matter, talk anything. Like here, nobody cares about your English, about your accent, about your grammar, because we here just having fun time, you know, man? You know what I'm saying? With like, from all over the world, like here guys, from Brazil, I don't know, Arabic countries, seriously, from Asia, America, everywhere, European.
Hello, all of the
Catch it normal, bro. Like, and don't drop my phone, please.
Okay. Sorry.
Damn it.
For my English. My English very bad. Today. We will send you.
What are we doing? What are we doing and where are we?
Go to the stadium to run a marathon.
Marathon.
About 18 kilometers. No, 18 miles.
18 miles.
Yeah, tonight.
Tonight, miles.
If we don't did this,
If we
didn't.
Okay, if we didn't
Marathon.
run, we what?
We will be sleep on the street.
On the street, yeah, right. Yeah. This actually, this like crosswalk. Oh, no. Пошли ниже. Let's go downhill. Let me demonstrate. Streets, beautiful.
A lot of people in Russia and nobody Russian.
Yeah, the situation is that this is university mostly for foreign students. Almost nobody speak Russian. Of course, speak, yeah. But in comparison with the whole amount of people, not everyone. Guys, a lot of people here.
No, this is not a lot of people.
Actually, yeah. This is like average. Yeah, normal.
Yeah.
Hey, we got him. Route N. Officially the most not Russian university in Russia. Yeah, let's go through the university, right, to show everything's beautiful.
To go inside?
Inside university?
Yeah.
I think it's not possible.
Мы попробуем хотя бы просто вовнутрь. Сделаем вид, что забыли пропуски и вернемся обратно.
Okay. Bench.
Embankment.
Embankment?
Embankment.
Набережная. Embankment.
Ты знаешь это слово?
Конечно.
Круто.
And lights. The floor.
Взлетная полоса.
Runway.
Runway.
Probably. Yo, discover the world is in one university. I guess we can go inside actually. Let's go inside. Oh my goodness, you see these trees inside? Oh my goodness. Can you believe this? Oh my god. It is Angola. This is decent. Decent here.
Yeah.
This is jungle inside the university. Birds. You hear birds? Чириканье. Реально там пугает. Parrots. Куда? Перепрыгнуть? Перелезть? Jump over? I don't wanna risk.
Сейчас был звук, он перезарядил ружье, ты не слышал?
Bro, I wanna go back on my words and I'm gonna say that this university is better than our. Yeah?
Yeah.
Better? I think it's beautiful at least, more beautiful. Just look, boys playing every time, girls playing also. Social life here is pretty great, I will say. Active life.
Как же тут атмосферно.
Тут вообще атмосферно.
Атмосферно. The fact that
Let's go back.
Russian education is the best education in the world. In Russia and in the world.
And finish video, yeah? There was the conclusion. Russian version of the stadium. Pretty like in good conditions, yeah? Like in Americans. Stands, like a seat place for fans of some team. Running track where we will run. Barriers for running. And football field. Football gates. Oh no, we already put on all the clothes and the sneakers. running track. This is a running track. One lap is 400 meters. We're gonna run today 8 laps. It's gonna be 3 kilometers. In the corner of the stadium, right there, and do in a pull-up bars, like pulling up, pull up. If you can see. It's just such a slow. In general, what's the advantage of doing sport in our life in general? Like, we're not professional sportsmen. We're just students.
Why?
I used to be. Now I'm not. Definitely, no. It is just about dedication and staying consistent. When you do sport every single day, it's like you overcome to just get up from the bed, get up from the room, and do outside, and do like hour or maybe 2 hours of sport. It is about make me more dedicated, staying focused, and it is the same will be in other kind of job. So if I can overcome myself here, I think I will do the same outside sport course, sport fields. Definitely, I feel better, I look better, feel good, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say yeah. Say something.
I believe that sport is so matter for life, for education process, like
of yourself.
Like science, like reading, because the improving of your body, this is
and clearing your mind. Sport definitely can clean your mind.
It's way to catharsis in your life,
catharsis?
in your mind, in your head. Yeah.
Say your favorite English word. Discombobulated.
Discombobulated.
It is
I am discombobulated by sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what does it mean actually. We're pretty successful. Okay, let's do sport right now and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, and you also, guys. Let's do sport, everyone. It's necessary. Just simple actions. Just run for yourself. Enjoy the weather. All right.